Alright guys, there's a weird bird outside. All these weird birds.
It's a guinea.
It's a guinea, apparently. Hello. Why is a guinea doing near a Taco Bell? I don't know, but it's here. Hey, where did you come from? Oh, okay. Okay. Goodbye now. Woo. No, I can go near it. It's a guinea. She has a nest, apparently. Okay. Alright, bye, guinea. That's so weird. I'm coming. So I'm inside the Taco Bell. The guinea is still there. I wonder what it eats. Just sit there all day and that is amazing. Why Taco Bell? Why Taco Bell? Apparently this thing's been on the news. Okay. Getting closer. Getting closer. Alright, hi. It would be funny if like a person, especially a black person, just comes by and just get the chicken, you know? Not the chicken. I mean, this is the most terrible place to be. I mean, they cook these things and put them in the burritos at Taco Bell. Hi, oh, you're so cute. And the mom said it had a nest around here. I don't want to bother it too much. Don't want to repeat of what happened last video. But that's amazing. It really is.